Welcome to NorthStar. One approach for developing standard cost incorporates communication, bargaining, and interaction amongst product line managers, the immediate supervisors for whom the standards are being developed, and the accountants and engineers before the standards are accepted by the top management. Such approach would be best characterized as an. Understand, when any standards or any budgets are being developed where all the line managers are involved, they are participated and negotiation takes place amongst the line managers and their senior. Such budgeting process or such process or development of standard cost is called participative approach, where all the concerned employees and managers come together and participate in the process of development of standard cost. So the correct answer is option number D, participative approach. What is authoritative approach? In authoritative approach, the senior management of the company decides the standard cost and pass on to the lower level management for their information purpose. They do not involve all the different levels of the company in the process of development of standard cost. So B is not a correct option. Imposed approach and engineering approach is again not a relevant option for this question. So the correct answer is option number D. Thank you.